Could Jenkins be on its way out? With the rise of cloud-native technologies and Kubernetes, Jenkins is facing a real challenge. In this video, I will explain why Jenkins' outdated infrastructure could soon make it obsolete and why Argo workflows could take its place in the next 3 years. Jenkins has been around for over a decade. It's the go-to CI/CD tool for many teams, but here's the catch. It needs to be deployed on a dedicated server. Not only do you need to maintain a Jenkins server, but you also need to manage build agents, lots of them, which often mean extra infrastructure, extra maintenance, and more points of failure. Think about it, Jenkins isn't cloud native. If you want to scale, you need to manage more agents manually or provision additional servers. That's not just extra work, it's bad infrastructure. Scaling Jenkins for your growing pipeline means constantly juggling servers, agents, and plugins. It's time consuming, prone to failure, and doesn't align with modern cloud native practices. Now let's talk about Argo workflows. Argo is Kubernetes native. This means rather than needing a dedicated server or multiple agents, your workflows run directly on your Kubernetes cluster. Each step in an Argo workflow is a Kubernetes pod. It's lightweight, scalable, and runs in the same cluster as your application, using Kubernetes' built-in scalability. Scaling is a breeze with Argo workflow. Since it's built for Kubernetes, you don't need to manage extra infrastructure. Kubernetes does the scaling for you. Whether you're running a single workflow or thousands of them, Argo adopts automatically. No more worrying about deploying new agents or managing Jenkins servers. Everything runs inside Kubernetes pods, right where your application is already running. So let's break it down. Jenkins requires separate infrastructure for servers and agents. It's an old school monolithic approach to CI/CD. Every time you need to scale, you need more agents or servers. That's not a cloud native approach and it's hard to scale. With Argo workflows, everything is handled within Kubernetes. No external servers, no separate agents to manage. It's a clean and streamlined solution. Jenkins is powerful, no doubt, but it's also complex. In a world where cloud-native technologies and Kubernetes are taking over, Jenkins' reliance on external infrastructure is holding it back. Argo is simpler, faster, and built to scale with Kubernetes, the future of cloud-native infrastructures. You don't need to waste time managing extra servers or agents, everything just works. More and more companies are adopting Argo workflow to manage their CI/CD pipelines directly within Kubernetes clusters. Whether you're deploying microservices, managing cloud infrastructure, or orchestrating complex workflows, Argo makes it easier. Argo workflows integrate seamlessly into Kubernetes environments, meaning it's the perfect solution for companies that have already embraced containers and cloud-native strategies. So why could Jenkins become obsolete in the next few years? As more companies move to cloud-native technologies and Kubernetes, Jenkins' reliance on external infrastructure and agents will make it harder to keep up. In contrast, Argo workflow is already cloud-native, already scalable, and built for the future of infrastructure. If you're looking to stay ahead in the CI/CD world, learning Argo is a no-brainer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you made the switch from Jenkins to Argo? I'd love to hear your experience.